Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reheat already made pancakes. First, decide which method suits your needs: microwave for speed, oven for crispness, or skillet for a golden finish. Always ensure your pancakes are completely thawed if they were frozen. This prevents uneven heating and helps maintain their delicious texture. The goal is warm, fluffy pancakes, not dry ones, so be careful not to overcook them. For a quick reheat, the microwave is your best friend. Arrange 1 to 3 pancakes on a microwave-safe plate. Heat them on high for about 20 to 30 seconds. If you're warming more, or if your microwave has a lower wattage, you might need to add a few extra seconds. Check for warmth, then enjoy your perfectly heated pancakes right away. If you prefer a slightly crispier pancake, the oven is an excellent choice. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your pancakes in a single layer on a baking sheet, ensuring they don't overlap. Bake them for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until they are heated through and lightly golden. This method works well for larger batches too. For a fresh-off-the-griddle taste, try reheating your pancakes in a skillet. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-low heat. Add a tiny bit of butter or a quick spray of cooking oil. Place your pancakes in the pan and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are warm and have a lovely, slightly crispy edge. This method is perfect for a few pancakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.